The Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner machine is a powerhouse when it comes to tackling stains and spills, thanks to its impressive 450W motor that delivers a super suction force of 11 kPa. Whether you are dealing with beverage stains, pet urine, or stubborn paint, this carpet cleaner is designed to handle it all, leaving your carpets and upholstery spotless. One notable feature is the dual water tank system, with a 0.8L sewage tank and a 1.8L clean water tank stored separately. This design allows for easy disassembly, filling, draining, and cleaning. The strong suction system ensures that your carpets dry quickly after cleaning, promoting a healthier and safer home environment. Just be mindful not to exceed the max line in the sewage tank to prevent suction issues. Portability is a key highlight, with an ultra-long hose, 3.57 feet and power cord, 16.4 feet that provide flexibility in moving from one cleaning job to the next. The compact and lightweight design, weighing only 9.3 pounds and covering a minimal area, makes it easy to store under a sink or in a closet, saving valuable home space. Wires and hoses can be neatly stored on the bracket of the cleaning machine, and the brush can be conveniently hung on the dual brush hook, eliminating clutter. The versatility of the carpet cleaner is evident in its wide application range, suitable for cleaning various fabric products that cannot be cleaned as a whole. With two sizes of brush heads included, you can address different areas of stains effectively, giving your items a refreshed and new look. In summary, the Ailltopd portable carpet cleaner machine offers powerful suction, convenient dual water tanks, portability, and a space-efficient design. With its comprehensive cleaning capabilities and user-friendly features, it's a reliable solution for maintaining a clean and hygienic home. Plus, the 1-year warranty provides peace of mind, and the responsive customer service is ready to address any product quality concerns.